Hello, I'm Dr. Astha Dayal and I'm the lead consultant gynecologist with CK Birla Hospital. Today we're going to discuss UTI. UTI or urinary tract infection is actually the infection of the urinary passage of your body, which could include the bladder, the urethra, or even the kidneys. Now, what will you feel if you have a UTI? You generally have an increased frequency of urination. You go to the loo more often. You feel that constant urge to go to the washroom even if you don't get too much urine. And towards the end of passing urine, you feel a burning sensation or pain. UTI can happen because of using common washrooms. It can happen after sexual intercourse. It can happen if the hygiene in that area is not proper. Some women have a recurrent UTI. They have an increased tendency of getting repeated infections and have to be more careful. Now, how do you prevent getting a UTI? You be very careful if you're using a common washroom. You should not sit on the toilet seat. You could either squat or you could use a spray to clean that seat first. There are some devices in the market with which you can stand and pee. Also, you should always have safe practices. You should always use protection while having intercourse. You should pass urine after intercourse and wash yourself. If you get a tendency towards recurrent UTI, sometimes we need to give you a low-grade antibiotic for a long time. But a single episode of UTI can easily be treated by a short course of antibiotics. But you should always remember that you have to first give a urine sample for routine and culture and then start your antibiotic. You can also use home remedies like having more liquids, and also some alkalizers can be used. Then there are cranberries and certain foods which help in changing the pH of urine, which is helpful in preventing recurrent UTIs. To maintain intimate hygiene, you should always clean from front to back. You should always keep yourself dry. So even when you wash yourself after visiting the loo, you should dab yourself dry before wearing your clothes. You should always wear cotton underclothes. You should not wear tight garments which can cause sweating. And you should always use barrier contraception or condoms during sexual intercourse.